Good morning, all of you. We are doing chapter number 5, Geography, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. This is the second part of the chapter, that is the importance of forest for human beings. I think everybody is aware about that forests are renewable resources and play a major role in enhancing the quality of environment. They modify local climate, control soil erosion, regulate stream flow, and support a variety of industries also. Forests provide livelihood for many communities like tribal communities and other panoramic or scenic view for recreation. They control wind force and temperature and cause rainfall. Forest also provides humus to the soil and shelter to the wildlife. But if you will see that India's natural vegetation, India's natural vegetation has undergone many changes. That means depletion of natural vegetation. And there are many factors responsible for that. And they are the growing demand for cultivated land, development of industries and mining, because as population will increase, we require more food. And for that, we think that forests are unproductive, and that's why conversion of forest area into agricultural land. And due to industrial development and mining activities, forests are degraded. Urbanization and overgrazing of pastures that are also equally important for the depletion of natural vegetation. If we will see, the vegetation cover of India in large parts is no more natural in the real sense. If we will see, except in some inaccessible regions like the Himalayas, the hilly region of central India, and the Marustali, that means desert area, the vegetation of most of the areas has been modified at some places or replaced or degraded by human occupancy. So that means whatever the areas of forest should be covered, forest area should be covered 33% in the country, but due to human activities, the area of natural vegetation is decreasing. Now, we will discuss about ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? All the plants and animals in a given area are interlinked and interdependent on each other, as well as the physical environment, forming an ecosystem. When the vegetation is altered, at a time, animal life also changed. Human beings, which are also an integral part of the ecosystem, they are influence the ecology of a region, because all this depletion is due to the human activities, because human beings utilize the vegetation and wildlife, but the greediness of human beings leads to overutilization of these resources. They cut the trees and kill the animals, and create ecological imbalance. And due to this, some of the plants and animals have reached the verge of extinction. Now, I think you must be aware about that a very large ecosystem on land having distinct types of vegetation and animal life, which is called a biome. Plants formations are used as basis of their groupings or identification. The biomes are identified on the basis of plants also. That means different types of vegetations. And in the further class, we will discuss about types of vegetation